Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Cobra pose is an arching position, looks like this. So since it's a little bit, let's say it can put a strain on the lower back, we need to have special attention on the lower back, and we do that by tilting the pelvis backwards. This movement. So imagine sticking your butt out. This is the opposite what we want. In other words, tuck your tailbone. Lie down on the floor with your belly down and practice this pelvis movement, tilting the pelvis backwards. If you feel that your butt is squeezing, that's the right position. Then have your hands in line with your shoulders. First step is to lengthen the spine. Imagine stretching forwards through the top of your head. Keep the shoulders away from your ears. And then on the next inhale, lift your chest. First try to use the muscles of your back. And then you can help a little bit with the hands. Press the floor with your hands. And go up really only as much as you feel it's comfortable for your lower back. If you feel any little pain here, please go out of the position. Otherwise, stay a few breath cycles. Keep lengthening the spine. And avoid shortening your neck, so don't look up too much. Keep also lengthening the back of your neck. And then release the position. It's nice to do, for example, child's pose after Bhujangasana, cobra pose. This one to relax a little bit the lower back.